Hello and welcome to this helpful guide. In this video, we'll show you how to manage push notifications in the Kayak app on your Android phone. If you receive too many alerts or just want to control the types of notifications you get, this video will walk you through every step. First, open the Kayak app on your Android phone. Next, tap on your profile icon at the top right corner. After that, scroll down a bit and tap on Notifications from the Settings menu. Now, tap on Push Notifications. This is where you can control what alerts the app sends to your phone. You'll see a list of different types of notifications like price alerts, trip updates, and promotions. Simply turn off the notifications you don't want to receive by toggling the switch next to each option. Your changes will be saved automatically, and you'll stop receiving those selected push notifications instantly. Thanks for watching. Now you know how to easily manage push notifications in the Kayak app. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials and control your apps your way.